Mohbad check enter. We no dey hear anything.
Guys, wahanga being like bicycle. Before I go right now, I'm going to do the rest of this video of this very embarrassing moment. Like at this point, I'm having second-hand embarrassment from Mohbad watching this video right now. I'm going to play the rest of this video as Mohbad. You know, yesterday when the Hilda Baci was doing the cookathon challenge, you know, when she was trying to break the world record of the the most amount of time that a woman has ever cooked. Mohbad came out to show her his support for Hilda Baci, you know, to do a free performance for the people out there. And guys, the fans were not having it. The fans have underrated and they don't see Mohbad finish. They were telling Mohbad to come down from his car and use his leg to walk inside the, inside the water on the street, to go inside the building before he can be able to perform for Hilda Baci. No be smart, you know, they were expecting Mohbad to walk on top of a dirty water. I would really guys to watch the rest of the video, but finally Mohbad entered and he had a very wonderful performance. I'm going to leave you guys to watch the rest of the video. Don't forget to use the red subscribe button, like the video, and share your comments in the comment section. This one right.
Make Mohbad, if Mohbad check enter, make Mohbad check enter. We no dey hear anything. Make the concept on us enter. Celebrity key on our day. Make Mohbad check enter. Calm down.
Ìjọba ọ̀tá ẹ̀rọ ayẹnu gbolẹ̀ ìbá mo rí ẹ lọ́dún ayọ̀ tó bọ̀ ọdọọdún làwọn ọmọbìnrin lórí gbá.